So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey. In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
Right. Permission for radio check. This is MC61, ME41 coming. Right. Permission for radio check. This is MC61, ME41 coming. Once again, permission for radio check. This is MC61, ME41 coming. Yes, sir. Go ahead. This is MC61. Permission lang to Romeo check. Romeo test. Over. Tumba kasi yung antenna dito kaya inaayos ko, kinakabit ko yung galing kay MC55 over sir.
Lang, pero readable naman.
Copy sir, sige sir, iikot ko pa ng konti. Iguan po sir, for the call out.
Medyo mahangin. Yung cellphone, yung radyo.
Copy sir, sige sir. Ayusin ko yung antenna. Iikutin ko lang sir.
Sige. Ayun na lang, dito lang lukas lang ako kasi medyo malabo din. Tapos ano lang monitor ka lang, nagkakount kita.
Copy sir.